Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create and dive into the user experience of this platform called IncNow LLC. So get started. IncNow specializes in forming a developed LLC and a corporations, and their service feels personal and trustworthy. Working with them was refreshing because it didn't feel like dealing with a fearless corporation. Real humans answered mails quickly, and they seems genuinely invested in making sure the setup went right. Their pricing is transparent and reasonable. I appreciated the details guided by they provide after forming the company, covering next steps like obtaining an EIN and opening a business bank account. Highly recommended for anyone forming a Dealwell's entity. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this user experience.